Once upon a time, in the enchanting land of Fantasia, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily had always been fascinated by magic and had spent countless hours reading books about wizards, fairies, and mythical creatures. Little did she know that her own magical adventure was about to begin. One sunny morning, Lily stumbled upon a mysterious, dusty book in the attic of her grandmother's house. The book had a worn-out cover with golden letters that spelled the Book of Wonders. Curiosity got the best of Lily, and she opened the book to find intricate illustrations of magical lands and spells. As she turned the pages, a soft glow emanated from the book, and before she knew it, Lily was transported into a magical forest. The trees whispered secrets, and colorful flowers bloomed with each step she took. She realized that she had entered the very world she had dreamed of. Suddenly, a mischievous little fairy named Sparkle appeared before her. Sparkle had shimmering wings and a mischievous smile. She introduced herself as the guardian of the Book of Wonders and explained that Lily had been chosen to embark on a quest to restore magic to the land, which had been fading away over the years. Sparkle led Lily through the mystical forest, where they encountered talking animals, friendly gnomes, and wise old wizards. Each of them gifted Lily with a magical item, a wand that granted wishes, a cloak that turned her invisible, and a necklace that bestowed the ability to speak with animals. Their journey led them to the Castle of Dreams, where the evil sorceress Melinda had stolen the heart crystal, the source of all magic in Fantasia. Without it, the entire land was in danger of losing its enchantment forever. Lily, guided by the wisdom of the creatures she had met, devised a plan to retrieve the heart crystal. With her newfound magical items, she infiltrated the castle, dodging traps and outsmarting Melinda's minions. Finally, Lily reached the chamber where the heart crystal was kept, guarded by a fearsome dragon. Using her wand, she summoned a powerful gust of wind to distract the dragon while she grabbed the crystal. With the heart crystal in her possession, Lily felt an incredible surge of magic coursing through her veins. She knew that it was up to her to restore the balance of magic in Fantasia. Returning to the heart of the forest, Lily held the heart crystal high above her head and chanted an ancient spell she had learned from the wise old wizards. A brilliant light filled the air, and the magic of Fantasia was revitalized. The trees swayed with joy, the flowers bloomed brighter than ever, and the animals danced in celebration. Sparkle, the creatures, and the inhabitants of Fantasia gathered around Lily, expressing their gratitude for her bravery and determination. They declared her the hero of magic, and her name echoed through the enchanted land. With the magic of Fantasia restored, Lily bid farewell to her newfound friends, knowing that she would always cherish the memories of her incredible adventure. As she closed the book, Lily returned to her grandmother's attic, but she carried the lessons and enchantment of Fantasia in her heart forever. And so, the tale of Lily, the hero of magic, became a legend in Fantasia, inspiring generations of children to believe in the extraordinary and the power of their own imagination.